ICSE मैथ्स क्लास 9 एक्सरसाइज 20C क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखिए सॉल्व ग्राफिकली। इक्वेशन क्या दिया है 3y माइनस 2x इज इक्वल टू 7। सेकेंड इक्वेशन है 5x प्लस 3y इक्वल टू माइनस 7। फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ y विल बी इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 7 अपॉन 3। हियर y will be equal to minus 5x minus 7 upon 3. So just you put the value of x, you will get the corresponding value of y. Suppose you have placed 1, x is equal to 1, so 2 into 1 plus 7, that is 7 plus 2, that is 9. 9 divided by 3, that will be the 3. If you put x is equal to 4, so 4 to the 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 divided by 3, that will be 5. So similarly you can just put minus 3.5 here, you will get 7 minus 7 plus 7, that will be 0. So again it will be y will be equal to 0. Minus 2, if you put here minus 2, so minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 7, that will be equal to 3. So you will get 1. Minus 2, 1. Similarly from here, you can prepare the table for x and y. If you put x is equal to 1, you will get the value of y will be equal to minus 4. If you put x is equal to minus 2, you will get the value of y, that is 1. If you put minus 5, x is equal to minus 5, you will get the value of y, that is 6. If you put minus 1.4, you will get the value of y, that is 0. So in this way you can prepare the table. Now after preparing the table, you can plot these points on the graph. So for the equation 3y minus 2x equal to 7 will be this line graph, and 5x plus 3y equal to minus 7 will be this line. You see, I have written here the 5x plus 3y equal to minus 7, and these points are intersecting at minus 2, 1, means the point of intersection is minus 2, 1. Here you see x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 1. Graphically I have to, mathematically if you solve it, you will get the value of x is equal to minus 2 and y will be equal to 3 by 3, that is 1. So in both ways you will get the same result. Now come to the question number 2, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 13. Here 5x minus 2y is equal to 4. So y will be equal to 13 minus 2x by 3. Here y will be equal to 5x minus 4 by 2. Now again you have to choose the convenient point for x and y, value of x and y. So put x is equal to 2, you will get 2 to the 4, 13 minus 4, that will be 9, 9 divided by 3, that will be equal to 3. If you put x is equal to 1 by 2, then it will become 1. So 13 minus 1, that is 12, 12 divided by 3, that is 4. If you put 6.5 here, 6.5, then it will be 13 and it will be 0. Y will be equal to 0. Minus 1, then you will get 5. Similarly in this case also, if you put 0, x is equal to 0, you will get y will be equal to minus 2. If you put x is equal to 2, you will get 3, 4, 8, minus 2, then you will get 7. This will be the table that will help you to plotting the points on the graph. Now if you want to have the mathematical solution, it will be equal to, you see, I have written here 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, 5x minus 2y is equal to 4. By cross multiplication I have written here the x is equal to minus 26, minus 12, whole divided by minus 4, minus 15, that will be equal to minus 38 divided by minus 19, and it will be 2. now come to the for y. Here by cross multiplication, you see the 2 and 4. 2 4s are 8. I have written here 8. 5 minus 5 into 13, that is minus 65. Whole divided by 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. Minus 5 into 3, that is minus 15. Again you will get here minus 57 divided by minus 19, that will be equal to 3. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Here also we have got the point on the graph also, 2 and 3, which are coinciding each other. Now let us proceed to the graph of this question. So this line is the graph line of 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. इस इक्वेशन का 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, sorry, 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 is the graph line for this equation, and 5x minus 2y is equal to 4 is this line. With the help of table, now you can plot the points in order to prepare the graph. Now the intersecting point, the coordinate of the intersecting point is 2, 3, here 2, 3. So in this way you can have the intersecting point, or this will be the solution of these two equations. Now they come to the question number 3, that is 5x plus y is equal to minus 3. So here y will be equal to minus 5x minus 3. Here the 2x is equal to 3y minus 8. That will be equal to y will be equal to 2x minus plus 8 whole divided by 3. So for the both equations we have to prepare the table for different values of x and y. So if you put x is equal to 0, you will get the value of y is equal to minus 3. If you put x is equal to minus 1, you will get the value of y is equal to 2. If you put minus 2, then you can get the value of y equal to 7. If you put x is equal to 1, you will get the value of y, that is minus 8. Now similarly for this equation, the different values of x and y are like this. If you put the value of x is equal to half, you will get the value of y is equal to 3. If you put x is equal to 2, you will get the value of y is equal to 4. If you put minus 1, then you can get the value of y, that is 2. If you put 2.5, 2 minus 2.5, then you will get the value of y is equal to 1. So this will be the table. Now here I have solved it mathematically or algebraically, you can say. The 5x plus y is equal to minus 3, 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 8. By cross multiplication, x will be equal to minus 3 into minus 3, that is 9. Here 1 into minus 8 minus 1 more, that will be the plus 8 whole divided by 5 minus 3. 5 into minus 3, that is equal to minus 15, minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. It will be equal to 17 upon minus 17, that will be equal to minus 1. Y will be equal to 5 into minus 8, that is minus 40. 2 minus 2 into minus 3, that will be equal to plus 6 whole divided by minus 15 minus 2. That will be equal to minus 34 divided by minus 17, and it will be equal to 2. So the intersecting point or the solution of these two equations will be minus 1 and 2. The graph equation will be like this. Here you see this is x dash x axis, this is y axis, this will be the origin. Now I have plotted this point. This line, graph line, is the equation of 2x equal to 3y minus 8. इस इक्वेशन के लिए ये ग्राफ लाइन है, ग्राफिक इक्वेशन है, you can say, and this will be the equation graph for the equation 5x plus y is equal to minus 3. The coordinates of the point of intersection is minus 1 and 2. This will be the point of intersection, so its coordinate will be minus 1, 2, and this will be the required answer for this question number 3. Now proceed further. Question number 4. The equation of the three sides of the triangle are 2y minus x is equal to 8, 5y minus x is equal to 14, and y minus 2x is equal to 1. Find graphically the vertices of the triangle. Here you see the 2y minus x is equal to 8. So y will be equal to x plus 8 divided by 2. For the second equation, y will be equal to x plus 14 divided by 5. Here for the third equation, it will be y will be equal to 2x plus 1. So for these three equations, we have to prepare the three tables, and the tables are like this. In the first equation, for the first equation, 0, 4, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 2, 5. For the second equation, 1, 3, minus 4, 2, 6, 4. For the third equation, 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 5, minus 1, minus 1. Now for all these equations, we have to draw the graph with the help of this table. Now you see here, 2y minus x is equal to 8 is this equation, AB line you can say. And y minus x, y minus 2x is equal to 1. Y minus 2x is equal to 1, that is the BC line here. And for AC, 5y minus x is equal to 14. 5y minus x is equal to 14 is this point. Now, while these three lines intersect at different points, that is A, B and C. So the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle ABC are minus 4, 2 here A, 2, 5 B and 1, 3 that is C. These are the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle ABC, where these three lines intersect each other. Now come to the question number 5. Here we have to take the scale, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit for x and y both axes. The graph for the equation 6y is equal to 6y is equal to 5x plus 10, and the second equation is y is equal to 5x minus 15. So here the y will be equal to 5x plus 10 divided by 6. So for this we have to prepare the table, the different values of x and y. Here the x, if you put the value of x is equal to 1, you will get the value of y, that will be 2.5. If you put 0.4, then you will get the value of y is equal to 2. 1.6, then you get the value of y is equal to 3, minus 2, 0, 4 and 5. Here for the second equation, the table is like this: 2, minus 5, 3, 0, 1, minus 10, 4, 5, 5, 10, 0, 15. Now the coordinates of the point where the two lines intersect is 4 and 5. You see, these two lines intersect each other at the point C, and its coordinate is 4 and 5. Now we have to find the area of the triangle, means the lines and the x-axis. The area enclosed in between the two lines and the x-axis. So the ABC. Now you see the AB, its length is 5 units. And if you just drop the perpendicular from C to this base, then you will get the height of the perpendicular will be equal to ordinate of the point C, that is 5 units. So 5 into 5 divided by 2, that will be 25 divided by 2, and it will be equal to 12.5 square unit. This is one of the method, and the second method is, if we want to find the area of the triangle with the help of the coordinates of the three vertices, here I have written, that is the coordinate method also, the area with the help of its coordinates. Here I have written minus 2, 0, you see, minus 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 5, again you write down the first point, that is minus 2, 0. Now if you are multiplying vertically from left to down, from left to downwards, at that time you write down 1 by 2 minus 2 into 0. After that 3 into 5, 4 into 0, bracket close, minus, now we have to proceed from left to up, cross me, left to up, minus लिख दिया, 0 into 3, plus 0 into 4, plus 5 into minus 2. So all these, you see, this term will be 0, the last term will be also 0, only 3 into 5, that is 15. Here in the second bracket you are having 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10, and there is one more minus, so it will become plus. So 15 plus 10, it will become 25, 25 divided by 2, that will be equal to 12.5 square unit. This will be the required area of the triangle ABC. In both the cases, we are having the same result with the help of the vertices here with the help of the base and height. Base into height divided by 2. That's all.